Hello and welcome to my channel, Lux Lucam. I am Frank. Before the Leatherman Skeletool was the Skeletool CX, and before the Skeletool CX was the Skeletool. No, you're not dreaming, and I am not drunk. When Leatherman released the Skeletool and the Skeletool CX in 2008, there were different tools than the one we know now. The Skeletool had a straight edge blade and was only available in a classic steel finish. Meanwhile, the Skeletool CX had a partially serrated blade and was offered with a three materials finish: steel, black oxide steel, and carbon waves. From 2009, Leatherman changed the blade and finishes on each one. Then the Skeletool blade was replaced to a partially serrated one. The Leatherman Skeletool CX blade was replaced to a straight edge and lost that three materials finish for a two material finish: steel and black oxide steel. No more carbon waves. Let's have a look at Leatherman website. The Skeletool actually has a serrated blade and is available in different colors. The Leatherman CX has a straight edge blade and is also available in different finishes. That's all for now. Please leave a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. It's important for the channel. I am still Frank and you are still watching Lux Lucam. Bye!